PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 19th day of March. James Spann here. A cold front coming in later today, but this one probably not producing much rain. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. We are looking at the lights of the city of Gadsden coming from the Skycam on top of Lookout Mountain. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s this morning. There's the Trussville Skycam on looking down over Chalkville Mountain Road from Alabama Spine and Rehab. And up in the Tennessee Valley, the Decatur view looking at the lights of the Tennessee River, or the lights of that railroad bridge there glistening off the water. There's the water vapor satellite shot this morning. You can see the trough moving down into the Great Lakes, helping to drive that cold front south. The front position is moving into northwestern Tennessee this morning, and that'll be coming on through here today, but we just don't expect a lot of rain with that. The air behind the front is cooler. Readings are in the single digits this morning up on the Canadian border, and it's going to knock about 10 degrees off the highs. Instead of mid-70s, we're talking mid to upper 60s tomorrow as the cooler air drops in here. And by Saturday morning, we'll be close to 40 and maybe 30s for the valleys. Here's the expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening. Nothing really south of Interstate 20 and just a little bit over the Tennessee Valley, and that would be with any isolated showers that are with that front today. There's our trough at midday today on the GFS. This is the OZ run, and the front producing a few showers to the north. We'll go to midnight tonight, and you can see there's just really nothing there. So, again, we'll mention a small chance of a shower, mainly north of Birmingham, this afternoon or this evening, and that's about it. And then tomorrow will be a sunny day, and again, a bit cooler with highs in the mid to upper 60s. Saturday, a beautiful day. Now, the colder valleys Saturday morning could see 30s and maybe a little scattered light frost, but most spots should see a low right around 40. The day will warm up nicely. We'll be in the upper 60s, and Sunday we should be pretty close to 70 with a mostly sunny sky. What about next week? There's a look at Monday. Stay dry. Look at the low on the eastern side of Colorado, 988 millibars. Very windy across the plain states in advance of that. Tuesday, there's the big upper trough supporting that low, and down below that, the rain Tuesday stays west. Maybe a few strong to severe storms over the southern plains with that feature. And then Wednesday, the front eases in here, but the main surface low is filling in its way up north, so at this point, it doesn't look like a major severe weather threat. And then Thursday, the front just kind of gets in here and stalls out. So once again, the consistency is good in that we will have a good chance of rain and storms Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And then we'll go to Friday the 27th, and by golly, it's a different solution. Instead of the long wave trough setting up over the east, it sets up over the west, and that will delay the arrival of colder air. And that's going to keep us wet if this is right on the 27th. We'll jump out a couple of days to March the 29th, and here comes your trough. Yeah, buddy. And that suggests another big rain event, maybe a wet weekend. Instead of a quick pop of cold air, this kind of hangs up everything and keeps us wet through that weekend. And then on March the 30th, yeah, that's cold. Upper level low over eastern Tennessee, 540 line driving down into the northeastern Gulf. So obviously a bit of model madness, but the confidence is increasing that there will be a pretty major late season cold snap at the end of this month, but exactly how low, what's the coldest morning, we don't know that yet. And then at the end of the forecast on the 3rd of April, boy, that's a famous weather day. Some crazy things have happened on that date over the years. That's got a trough axis off to the east, and that looks dry at this point, but obviously trying to resolve details this far in advance is just about impossible to do. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 3:30 today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.